Okay, we have the two formulas, and we're going to manipulate two formulas with the knowns and the unknowns, all right? So let's write the first formula that we know, and that's going to be AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1D. And the other formula we know is SN is equal to N A1 plus AN over 2. And then, the thing is, what do you want to get? You want to get a formula for A1. And so I know SN, right? I know that. I know AN, and I know N. So let me go over here, and I'm going to highlight this for you, what I do know. I know this. I know this. What else do I know? I know this. Certainly I know the number 2. So I think I could solve the formula at least for A1. Right, I think I can get the A1 now. So let me see if I can do that, and then we'll look at the key later. All right, so you can get 2SN equals N times A1 plus N times AN. 2SN minus N AN equals N A1. And then I'm going to divide by N. And what do you get? 2 SN minus N AN over N equals A1. All right, let me get my red pen out and see how we did. Did we get this? Well, let's see, I got the A1, got the N at the bottom. Yeah, I did it. This is good. So I'm going to say I'm glad I got there, and I'm going to erase things I don't want anymore because I use these things to get something. I'm going to erase this over here. They're all equivalent statements, by the way, but I wanted to solve it for A1. I did that. So let's go to the next thing. Formula for D. All right, so I'm going to look at this guy over here, and I certainly know AN. I do not know A1, but I know N and D. Right? No, I don't know D. I got to find D. I'm sorry about that. Let me go backwards. So I know AN, I know N. I don't know A1 or D, but I have a formula for A1, so I'm going to write that down for you now. So what do you have here? AN equals 2SN minus N times AN over N plus N minus 1D. All right, in that formula, the only thing I don't know is D. So I need to solve it. And the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by N. And you're going to get N times AN. Now, when I say AN, I really should be saying A sub N. But it's typical to say AN. This would be 2SN minus N AN plus N minus 1D. Well, I'm almost there. I'm going to try to collect terms on one side and get that D isolated if I can. So it's going to be 2N AN minus 2SN equals N minus 1D. Well, I got to divide both sides by D's coefficient, and what are you going to get? I'll do it over here. You're going to get 2N AN minus 2SN over N minus 1, and that equals D. All right, let's get a red pen out and see how we did. And we're looking for D, by the way. See D here. And let me see if I got this bottom part right. I did. I noticed they did something, you don't have to do it, but they wrote, you know what? I noticed I did something. They factored a 2 out. Let me just make sure I can do that. Yeah, you get N, AN minus, yeah, SN. This is good. Now, someone can say, what were they doing over here? It looks like they factored out minus 1 from top and the bottom, and that's fine. You can do that too. Don't think it's any different. This is one of the confusions that students often have when looking at an answer key. they look at an answer and they say, how'd they get that? Well, sometimes they factor out -1 on both top and bottom. And it looks different, but it's not any different, all right? That's something we did a long time ago in the notes, really going back to section 1 of the notes, all right? Thank you.